Good morning, guys. Today is very important day. You know why? I was taking a session this weekend, and there was one question came: how to come unique? How to become unique during a job interview or during a job search? And I said, you are unique. You are unique. You just have to follow some certain rules, certain principles, and you can be unique. So today, let's talk some unique tips what you can follow to become unique. And by this way, actually, not only you can become unique, but you can stand out from the crowd also. So I'll be giving you some tips. Note down, take pen and paper, note down, and after noting down, once the video finish, post in the comment box which one is your favorite, which you are already implementing, and which one you are going to implement from today onwards. Number one, whenever you are searching for the job, check the website of employer, check the website of the organization. And what you can check in that website? Number one, their about section. There are a lot of information in their about section. They have lot of marketing information in their about section. Their mission you should know, their vision you should know better than the recruiter. And keep following their career section. Nowadays, lot of organizations are using Workday for career section. So if they are not using Workday, even it also fine. Keep following their Workday, keep following their career section on a daily basis. You never know which vacancy will be most suitable vacancy for you. And the next one is important. Nowadays, we all people are using social media. You, me, everybody. So if you are using social media, start following company profile, start following that organization's profile over social media. You can follow on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and keep engaging with them. Start engaging in their post, start engaging in the post of their leadership. You never know when you can become their favorite. If you are valuable, your comments, your posts are valuable for their organization. Start engaging in their post, start engaging with their authority. So this was number two. And number three, whenever you get the information about events, whenever you get the information about meetups, go ahead, register yourself, join that event, join the meetup, and engage in their meetup also. Sorry. So engage in their meetups, engage in their events, and by this way, this is number three step, and you will be standing out from the crowd because you are nowhere related to their organization, you are nowhere related to their employment, but you are following them in their event, in their meetups, and by this way, you can create a good impression. And always carry a business card and one set of resume with you, hard copy. Always carry a business card and one set of hard copy resume with you every single time whenever you are going for any professional meetup. Nowadays people don't believe that I should carry hard copy of the resume. So keep soft copy of your resume handy with you. At any time it can be asked and you have to forward that resume to the email id. So focus on hard copy, if not then soft copy. Soft copy should be well updated and always ready. By this way, at least you will be having some document who can support you, who can help you getting the job. And next one, important. Actually, I am getting so many mails from my previous organization Infosys for the alumni, and I have lot of engagement in their alumni portal. So if you are a previous employee from any of the organization, start following their alumni association, join their association, join alumni association, start engaging, start asking question. You never know which vacancy will be best suitable vacancy which can be posted in that alumni association, and you can get hired at any time. Next one is, see, there is one term called niche job board. I know it's new for you, but it's not new for IT professionals who are overseas. So niche job board is very important for IT professionals, and dice.com, D-I-C-E, dice.com. Go ahead, create your profile today itself. It's very amazing platform. I have got so many results for my people, for my students, and that's why whenever I'm getting result, then only I'm sharing with you people. So dice.com, D-I-C-E, dice.com is one of the most amazing platform. Go ahead, create your profile and start using that board, start using that platform. It's amazing. And last but not the least, tweak your skill. Tweak your skill in the sense you have to brush your skill every single day. Keep working, keep improving, keep upgrading your skill set every single day. Create a target, set a target that today I am going to learn something new, and by this way, let's suppose if you're learning one new things per day, by the end of the year you will be having more than 300 new skills with yourself that can help you, that can support you whenever you want in your job search journey. I used to set target every single day what I am going to do today, at least three most priority tasks. And by the end of the day, I am so happy that at least those three tasks I am able to complete every single day. And if you are a fresher, start offering free service at least for some time. Many benefit. Number one, you will get experience. Number two, you will get knowledge. Number three, you will get visibility. And number four, your resume weightage will be high. So these were the tips. Start working on those tips. If you are not following these tips, start working from today itself. And if anything is new, comment in the comment box below in the comment section which one you are going to implement from today. And one good thing that we are in July, and last Saturday of this month I am going to conduct free mock interview session. Link will be out very soon. As soon as the link is out, go ahead, register yourself if you are interested for mock interview, and let's stand out from the crowd. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place. If you're not following on me on social media, start following that. Maybe which day will be big breakthrough for you. If you have not subscribed the channel till now, hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and let's make the world better place to live. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.